We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi.
Good morning. What day is it today? 9? Day 9 of Vlogmas. Hello. Soph and I are the first ones up this morning, and we saw Jingles doing something very cute, and we're going to make some breakfast together. Thought you might like to join us. What do you think, so? Okay, let's do it.
I'm gonna wrap some presents. Take everything on the list. Wrapping paper, cards, scissors, sticky tape, presents. There's one thing missing. Me! What are you doing? What are you doing, Lily? What are you doing? No, I lost you.
What are we making, Soph?
I'm making a little plushie.
It's so adorable. We're using old socks. And what else? Thread. And fabric for the stuffing. And we're doing his little legs right now. And I think later on we might give him a sock tail. Is that right? And I like his little winky face. Georgia also helped us make an outfit for her elephant Ellie. Very cute. Okay, we're at the end of the day. We spent most of the day at home today and just kind of chilled out. And the kids are in bed now. And I wanted to show you our fireplace for Christmas. Have a look. Look how pretty that is. So it's just made out of old cardboard boxes. Ben made them a couple of years ago. He's made all these bricks, stuck them on. We've got 4 stockings, 2 for the girls, 2 for us. A reindeer up the top. A little bit of tinsel and some beautiful lights. And I just love it. Alright, that's it from me today. I will see you all tomorrow for day 10. Day 10 already. The Christmas season is going fast. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas